3/4 cup chana dal, 1/4 cup tur dal, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 1 teaspoon brown rice, half teaspoon jeera, 1 dry red chili, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper seeds, 3 green chili, and about 3 sprigs of curry leaves. Wash and soak all of them for about an hour and a half in water. The lentils have been soaked in water for about 3 hours, and this is how it looks. Now I'm adding the lentils into the mixer without any water. This is about half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, a few pieces of chopped ginger, and some salt to taste. Now I will grind this to a coarse mixture, and this lentil mixture does not have much water added to it. Here are some curry leaves and coriander leaves, which we can finely chop and add to the batter. You can mix the chopped curry leaves and coriander into the vada batter. Now the oil has got hot. Let me just drop in a few vadas into the batter. And now on my palm, I just take a little round of batter and lightly I shape them into these medium-sized rounds, and I drop them in the hot oil. Now I'm starting my second batch.